What's up, y'all? Coming with the unboxing video. I just got my GLOCK Oem backpack. I'm gonna show you. See, this is GLOCK Perfection. Yeah, man. Right there. So, if you know, you know. Comes with one of these. But, unfortunately, where is it? I have to take this off. It does not fit with that. This is always unloaded. Alright, we got we got this. I'm not sure which one this is. I got a optic, even though my shit, as you can see, does not have optic cutout. But we're gonna work some magic, watch. This is why I got this. And there's one more thing I got that goes with this in order to make this work without the optics cut. Cause I'm a gangster like that. I was sitting on it. Got my work table on me. Here we go. Alright. This is what I'm talking about. Oh shit. So see this is rubber bands. I also have a grip that I bought for it. Yes, sirree. Ooh, look at that. Glock 17, Hogue, handle, grip sleeve, beaver tail, all that fits on the 17. Basically what I got. Yeah, been waiting for this. Came pretty fast on Amazon, believe it or not. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. Let's get these off. Now these serve me some justice, I ain't gonna lie. If you ain't never got no grip, put some rubber bands around that bitch. This shit works just fine. Trust me. You gotta have hell of them on there, like what I did. However you want it. See, I'll take this off. This is for my pins. It's like a little magwell thing, cover. So we put my clip in like this. Like that. Fuck. See? Prevent shit from getting in there. I don't want it to breathe. Take that out. Fuck. I'm not sure how you put this on. It's for a Glock 17, but this motherfucker got a big ass fucking handle, blood. Fuck. Damn, bro, this ain't gonna work. That sucks. Should have got one. See, I was trying to order one specifically for the P80. Okay, what the hell? Oh. So I'm supposed to stretch this bitch out. I'll see how the fuck I'm supposed to do that. This bitch is tough as nails. Yeah, they even said it's gonna be a bitch. If I can get this on, it's gonna be a miracle. Alright, I'll get back to y'all.